Right, so in this question, we're given a cuboid with height h meters. We have 50 meters and the length of the cuboid is 10. It reads, the depth of water in the aquarium at t seconds is h meters. Panzi at time t is equals to 0, the aquarium is empty. So this is an initial condition yatinobva tanyora panapa kuti when t is 0, h is equals to 0, right? Panzi, and water begins to flow into it, meaning to say the water is now flowing into the aquarium, right? So the flowing of water is described as the rate of increase of volume with respect to time, which is dv dt. So panapa onouya wobva wanyora kuti dv divided by dt are a positive differential coefficient. Why? Because the water is flowing into, it means there is rate of increase, right? So they are saying the water is flowing into it at a constant. If you hear constant rate, it means you are going to put equal sign. So I'm going to put an equal sign because of that constant rate. Papan's constant rate of 2 cubic meters per second. Then you write 2. Right. Then the question is that at the same time, water begins to flow out. Flow out, it means leakage. Leakage means rate of decrease. So pamberi pa 2 yayo yokuti mvura yapinda takuisa minus to show the flowing out iri kutauro. Then papanzi is flowing out at a rate proportional to h to the power of half, meaning to say rate yekubuda nayo haizi constant. Saka it means tenge taku times h to the power of half uyauya nani na k was panzi proportional to. Saka hatisi kutora h to the power of half as it is, but tikufana times h to the power of half na k, where k is a constant of proportionality. But dai panzi the water is flowing out at a constant rate of h to the power of half, ndo patailesa h to the power of half akadaro, asapa tikufana kutoisa k. I hope you are listening, class. Right, then tikabva ipapo tinofanira kucreata, because question yedu yoda kuti tiwane dh dt tomushowa kuti aburitse izvi rapapa. Saka pa since taana dv over dt tinofanira kuwana another differential coefficient yekuti tinozoshandisa chain rule, handiti. Saka the other differential coefficient kuti ibude manje tenge taakuti volume is equals to cross sectional area times the length of the prism, handiti. Saka cross sectional area ndo iri pamberi pakwe unotimes h unani na 50 panobuda 50h. Saka wakuti v is equals to 50h, then what times 50h ne length kana kuti ne distance yekunobata another cross section kuseri, which is 10. Saka this is the volume, or unogona ngoti length times width times breadth, you still get the same result. Saka 50h times 10 anotiburitsira chi 500h. Wobva wadifferentiata unobva wati dv dwat dh is equals to derivative ya 500h ndiani? Ndi 500, handiti. Saka taakuda kushandisa dv dt na dh dv kuti tigadzire dh dt uyawo ari kudiwa. Saka unobva wati dh over dt is equals to, since dv dt ana dt pasi watiri kuda, it means dv over dt tinomutora as what? As it is. Tobva times manje ne reciprocal ya dh dv, meaning kuti tengeta kuti dh pamusoro then totaisa dv pazasi, kuitira kuti dv na dv vakachekana tinosara tine yatiri kuda. I hope you are following, class. Right, so tadaro manje takusubstituta zvinhu zviyazvi tengeta kuti dh over dt is equals to dv over dt anova ndiye 2 minus k h to the power of half tomisa mubracket. Ari kutimes chi? Ari kutimes dh dv inova reciprocal ya dv dh. Saka tingita kuti ari kutimes chi 1 over chi 1 over 500. Handi mukubata munyato wachona. Saka kuti uyu k uyu arapa manje abude manje. Ndo pane this condition yatapiwa kuti when h is 1 dh over dt is equals to 0,002. Saka ndenda kuya pana dh over dt ndo ndaisa 0,002 is equals to 2 minus k open bracket since what h ndo 1 apa kuya 1 to the power of half, then apa ndakudivide ndakutimes na 1 over 500. Saka remember any number 1 akarezwa ne any power anoramba ari 1. Saka it means kuti mubracket munosara muna 2 minus k, then 0,002 anobva times 500 taita cross multiply, then kuright kuno kutosara tina 2 minus k. 02 times 500 inotiburisira 1 is equals to 2 minus k. Saka takuendesa k kuna 1 then 1 kuna 2, meaning to say k wedu anobva buda richi anobuda ari 1. And it saka it means kuti final answer yedu kuti ichibuda taakuchiti dh over dt is equals to 2 minus h to the power of half, which is good as root h times 1 over 500 yeah, since k wedu ndi 1. Right, so it means kuti answer yedu inobva yabuda iri dh over dt is equals to 1 over 500 2 minus root h, something like this. I hope you are following. Right, then let us move on to part B of the question. Right, takwenda pa part B iri kuti by making the substitution x is equals to 2 minus h to the power of half, show that the equation in 1 becomes 2 minus x dx over dt is equals to minus 0,001. Right, so iwo zvaunoita panapa unotora answer yawawana pekutanga womboinyora. Tawana dh over dt, right, is equals to 1 over 500 2 minus root h. Ndoyatawana part B. And it then uyu watapiwa anonzi x is equals to 2 minus h to the power of half. Tinofana kumudifferentiator using dx over dh to differentiator zviri kuright uku. Handiti saka derivative ya 2 ndi 0, then half yanotimes achi minus uitowana minus half, then half yarapa toatamulesa nani na 1 and mapabata. So panobuda dx over dh is equals to minus half h to the power of minus half. Then ndakuconnecta dh dt na dx dh kugadzira dx dt uyarapa ari kudiwa. It means unoenda kuti dx divided by dt is equals to dh over dt uyarapa tom times na dx uyarapa over is it over dh. I hope you are following class. Right, so tatam times na dx over dh in such a way yekuti dh anochekana nani na dh. So inobva yabuda iri dx over dt is equals to then dh over dt ndo answer yatawana part 1, which is 1 over 500 2 minus 1 minus root h. Anditka tova times na dx over dh, which is minus 1 over 2 h to the power of minus half. I hope you are following. Right, so kuti tisvike patiri kuda uyu akanzi 2 minus root h ushu akafanana nesubstitution yatapiwa inonzi 2 minus h to the power of half. So pana tinoita kuti dx over dt is equals to 1 over 500, open bracket, 2 minus root h, tati ndiye 2 minus h to the power of half. Saka panenda kusa x. Anditika? Ndobva ndati times minus half. Then uyu anonzi h to the power of half. Tinomuwana nekumeka h to the power of half kuno the subject. Saka inenge yakuta h to the power of half tomendesa ku left. Kuno inenge yakuta 2 minus x. Saka it means that apa ndikuisa 2 2 minus x up. I hope you alright. So apa tingeta kusa h to the power of half the 2 minus x, but pane pakudachi minus 1 since tina h to the power of minus half. So you put minus 1. Right, then tadaro tingeta kuti dx over dt is equals to 1 over 500 times minus half, twana minus 0,001, then tina x. Then uyu 2 minus x to the power of minus half to the power of minus 1. Takumnyora 1 over chi over 2 minus x. Right. Then the times are both sides. Now 2 minus x. Kuti tisvike pashort that iri kudiwa. So final answer inovaita 2 minus x dx over dt is equals to minus 0,001x, since uyu neuyu anenge wakuchekana of what shown. Saka ndokubuda kwayaidi kwayaita.